Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Prius garage door opener. First, locate the home link buttons, typically found in your overhead console or rearview mirror. This system allows you to conveniently operate up to 3 different garage doors, gates, or even security lighting directly from your vehicle. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth setup, making your daily routine a little easier. Before programming a new device, it's a good idea to clear any existing codes from your home link system. This ensures a fresh start and prevents any conflicts. Simply press and hold the 2 outside home link buttons. Keep holding them for about 10 to 20 seconds until you see the indicator light begin to flash rapidly. Once it flashes quickly, you can release the buttons and the memory is cleared. Now, let's program your garage door opener. Turn your Prius ignition to the on position. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the remote button and your chosen home link button until the indicator light flashes rapidly. If your opener has a rolling code, you'll then press the Learn button on your garage door motor, and within 30 seconds, press the home link button 3 times. After programming, it's time to test your new setup. From inside your Prius, press the home link button you just programmed. Your garage door should now open and close smoothly. If it doesn't work, double-check that your remote's battery is fresh and that you followed all steps carefully. For persistent issues, refer to your specific garage door opener's owner's manual, as some systems have unique programming requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.